My name's Tim Dykstra with Boston Dynamics. I'm the Director of Strategic Partnerships and Channel. Well, we're at IMC this year. It's a really special year for us because we won this Solution Award for Asset Condition Management Innovation. Really what this award means to Boston Dynamics is its validation. We released this robot 3 years ago. And at the time it was thought of kind of just a cool robot. And we got a lot of questions of, hey, what does it do? Over time, as we've started participating in Maximo World and in IMC and talking with customers, it became clear that it could be used for condition-based monitoring and used as a dynamic sensor to collect data to help maintenance teams and technicians be more efficient with their time. And this Solution Award is validation that, hey, we've actually really built a solution that end users can use and find useful in their operations. Why do I love my job? So there's so many things. So one is the robots are amazing. It's really fascinating to go to a plant and see the reaction towards the robot. And most of it at the beginning is, wow, this technology is so cool, this is so awesome. But what's most rewarding is when those robots actually get implemented. So at plants, it's seeing people use it on a daily basis to collect data that helps their operations. In other applications, it's keeping people safe or keeping them out of harm's way. And so it's so fun to see those results of what our robots can do in this world. The other thing I love about the job is Boston Dynamics is just a great company. We have a great culture of teamwork and camaraderie and collaboration, and that's a really exciting environment to be a part of.